shared a weekly perspective on BTC USDD. On that weekly perspective, we were able to spot and make corrections to our earlier analysis. And on that chart, we'll decide to scale down to 4 hours to have a clearer picture on what is happening, especially intraday pictures. Due to poor liquidity, we want to see 4 hours and hold 4 hours responsible for possible price movement. And trading is probability, but the most important thing is to trade in line with price movement instead of being speculative. So what we want to see is what is the current price movement? Where is the movement? Where is the price going to? So we want to see it and keying into that price movement. That will be the best thing we do for ourselves at the moment. And it looks like the price action will rely on these 4 hours. Now, 2026, we are looking at global crypto regulation and possible tax reform following suit. This might lead to possible sell-off and reduction of institutional investment. It's just speculation. But if they start to tax crypto, the motive of holding is technically defeated. The idea is to be decentralized, do whatever you like, nobody sees you, you don't got to pay any interest rates, invade the bank process, just do the way you like, pay whoever you want to pay. But if it comes to the point that everything is under radar, that all brokers have to report to federal authority, then I see crypto switching to bear season due to selling pressure. So I focus on the line chart in order to get the picture, and 4 hours will give us a clue into the direction of the market. If it cannot provide it, then it looks like selling. We just continue. So 93.187.9 provided a buy opportunity 28th April, 30th April, and here we have a 4-hour structure. We have here a support structure, break out of a support structure, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, break out of a supply roof. Remember, after price testing here, confirming it as an ascending trend line and also as a support structure, they lost momentum. And we also remember that on 4 hours, we had a breakout from an ascent from a descending trend line. A breakout from that descending trend line was a trigger switching from downtrend to uptrend. So I will also want to extend the line. So in the future, hoping that if buyers have lost momentum for buy and sellers holding the market tightly, they might come back to that level. And if they're trying to form a bearish descending channel, that's okay. That's perfectly okay. So you see the market have more room to fall. That's okay. Where we also see it on 4 hours, we have a pickup from here on the descending trend line, acting as a dynamic floor. I'm going to shade the color to black. And after we take our line chart off, we look at possible corrections in the market.